Hi Colette. I'm just gonna show you how to put the UAG in because I've just realised it's not in the right place, so it's not showing up. Sorry, if I'd have had a second to breathe, I'd have come and found you. It would have just been simpler, but I've literally only just realised now. So when you go on to Data Hub, if you click on your classes and then go down to your English class and then select CPG. Slightly confusing because we want a UAG. So the CPG is the grade that they're sort of currently at and that you think they'll get at the end of the course. So it's the sort of level that they're working at towards getting that grade at the end of the course. And then the UAG is meant to be a slightly more optimistic version of that. So if everything goes really well and with a following wind and they get great exam papers, what's the best they could possibly achieve while still being realistic. So there's a slight difference between the two of them. So the current one is meant to be, really what you'll think they'll get. And then the UAG is, well, if you were being a little bit more optimistic and you thought on their best day, what they could get. And the UAG needs to go in this final column here. So I think maybe you've just updated the CPGs and not put the UAGs in possibly. But if you could go back through and just pop those in, that would be great. Because like I say, I just noticed that it wasn't showing up on the system. Okay, I hope that helps. Thanks. And hopefully I'll actually get to come and say thank you in person as well.